Hey guys, how you doing? Doc J here with another Youjuvenator tutorial. Just to give you some advanced functions and features of how Youjuvenator can work for you. What we have here, we have two different. I launched the Youjuvenator twice. So when you basically have it in your start screen, such as here, once you've downloaded it, you launch it, and then you open the first application. Then you just launch it again. You click on it twice, bring it up 2 times. Okay, this one on the left will basically go more towards the conscious programming of your mind. I am immortal. So where you'll read it, see it, repeat it, feel it, and think it, and instill it. So you know exactly what you're going for, exactly what you're reading, moving towards. You're gonna fake it until you make it. This one on the right is gonna deal with the unconscious mind. That means it's going to flash. You'll see it flashing here, and the unconscious mind or subconscious mind will read that and instill those things in the unconscious mind. That's the mind you have to rewrite. You have to rewrite the programming or the code that's in that mind to therefore get long-lasting change. So this one is for the conscious mind up here. This one is for the unconscious mind here. So all you simply do is you choose your categories and you select the particular power affirmation that you want to work with. And there's a vast amount of categories here, as you can see. Almost everything, every area you can think of, we have, and you can always, of course, create your own suggestions. If you decide to add to a category, you can always add your own power affirmation to a category. And of course, once you've selected what you're working with, right, from positive thinking or spirituality, whatever the case may be, I've already selected. That's why they're flashing here. I've already selected a certain amount of affirmations already, so that's why they're flashing out. And I've also made the settings 10 seconds in terms of time between when flash and 10 seconds duration on the screen. So every 10 seconds it'll change and roll over, and there'll be 10 seconds of a gap in between the time. Okay, so this once you have this running and you're saying the affirmations and feeling the affirmations and thinking the affirmations and living the affirmations, then the other application you're going to set towards the unconscious mind. So you'll basically choose the same affirmation that you chose for the conscious mind, because what we're going to basically bombard the conscious as well as the unconscious with the same type of power affirmation or same type of suggestions or programming. So you'll set this one, you'll choose the same affirmations, same categories here, right? So you'll make a note of that, which ones you're choosing here, so you can transform it to the other programming over here. Okay, and then you'll make the settings. The only difference with the settings this time is you're going to make the settings however long you want to do the program for, or you can just put a time in there that you want it to run. You choose the highest or the fastest setting, 0.125 here, and here you choose 0.002 here, the highest. Okay, choose your colors, of course. The colors doesn't, like I said, I use yellow background. The text doesn't really matter unless you decide to delve into the application of colors and which color to choose for specific things. That's another higher level, which you'll learn about in the workbook. But for now, I use yellow background, and we're going to use blue as the lettering. And we've already chosen our size of our text or opacity and where you want it to flash. The subliminal affirmations I'll have flashing center screen, and the ones that are to the conscious empowerment of the mind are flashing top left. So then, of course, you'll engage. And this is how you get this effect. Let me minimize these here. This is how you get this effect, where the subconscious mind is being drawn in to read and to instill this, while the conscious mind is getting its fill of the conscious suggestions. My body is filled with green healing light. Say it 3 times or 4 times, and then in the gap you repeat it a few more times. I am calm in all situations. I am calm in all situations. I am calm in all situations. Feel it, think it, visualize it. Then just relax. Let it sink in. I am at peace at all times. I'm at peace at all times. I'm at peace at all times. That's the conscious mind. Feel it, think it, emotionally be one with it. You will become it. Subconscious mind being rewritten with the same type of affirmations. So you launch the application twice. If you really want more power, higher frequency, then you launch the application 3 times, and you'll have 2 set toward the unconscious. I only have 1 right now. So we've only launched the application twice. But if you launch it 3 times, then you could basically have you could basically have 2 of them going towards the subconscious mind while one's going towards the conscious, or vice versa, and it's become so much more powerful because the frequency is so high. I've done that for about 20 minutes, and I had to basically say, okay, I've had enough, because I could feel the waves coming towards me, and I can feel it in my body and mind. It's just tremendous. So Youjuvenator is a great tool. Use it. You can use it while you're just using your computer, just while you're doing everyday work, and let it run by just doing the unconscious, subconscious flashing at a certain speed. Or you can sit in front of your computer and consciously decide that you're going to spend 10, 15 minutes a day and ingrain what you need into your life. It's a small price to pay to change yourself. And you have a tool and application that can change yourself right now. So guys, there was just a brief tutorial on an advanced way to use Youjuvenator, where it benefits at the same time both the conscious and unconscious mind. Guys, good luck. Keep working on yourself. Always try to become the best version of you. Till next time, I am Doc J. Bye-bye.